Okay, on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and show them to you how they look. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hook them up and see how well they work. All right, here I'm going to plug it into my HP laptop, and it goes right over here into this port. Okay, and as you can see, I can easily remove it and put it back on. Go ahead and hook up my iPad charger right into it, and then hook that into my iPad. Transfer any files that I need from my tablet onto my laptop at a fast rate. It supports the fastest way to charge your MacBook, your laptop, your other USB-C devices. It supports super speed transfer so that some movies from my iPad onto my computer, that can be done. It supports super speed data transmission. I can send or receive an HD movie in as little as 2.5 seconds from one device to another, which would be great if I had a movie on here and then I needed it onto my iPad to go on a trip or anything else. That would be great. It reduces wear. These adapters are great for both ease of connection and for saving the usual wear and tear on your USB-C port. These ports are often damaged or worn out by constant plugging in and unplugging of cables, so this will really help save your device. My favorite part of this adapter is that when I am charging my laptop or iPad or phone, and I have a kid running by or my husband walks by and trips on my cord, he is not gonna knock my laptop off the table or break my adapter part, because this magnetic will pop right off, and I do not have to worry about my computer flying out of my hands or my phone screen being shattered. They're easy and convenient. The magnetic is perfect. You can also grab the whole thing and take it out. There is no problem. These would be great to have around if you were having any trouble, needing a faster speed. These will help increase that. See, I already plugged it into my outlet adapter and put it together. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in, and I can see it is already charging. Okay, when it is charging,